In this section, we are going to jump into the debate of should you have people message you or should every ad and post use a link click. We discussed this very early on in this series, but here's what's happening and why I believe every paid ad that you push out should be link click based and not messages based. You know, Facebook has become addictive to consumers, and the last thing Facebook wants is to have their people leave the platform. The more people who are on the platform, then the longer they stay online is going to help drive ad revenue and ad costs. Facebook, first and foremost, is a media company. And like any media company, they don't want their users leaving. The Messenger feature creates the illusion that someone can actively engage in dialogue with you while staying on the platform. Now the problem is that users are locked in a trance. They're just scrolling through their news feed, looking at the photos. I'm sure this happens to you too. You go to Facebook, your goal is to catch up with a few friends, see what's happening, and later on, you can't even remember why you went there in the first place. Just imagine your targeted customer. They're doing the same exact thing. They're scrolling through the news feed too, but then they see something maybe marginally interesting, and we all know what happens next. They deploy that well-conceived, and it is well-conceived, "Is this still available?" message, to which you or your sales team drop everything to immediately respond. Why, yes it is, and it's a great choice. Would you like to come in and schedule a time to visit, only to hear, that's right, nothing, crickets. Now, I believe as automotive marketers, we have to do everything we can do to break that trance and get users off of the platform if we want any real chance of selling them anything. Now, this is going to be a little counterintuitive, but I would like to give you a strategy that will help lower your stress, definitely lower your frustration level, and maybe even save you some money if you're using one of the third-party providers to help you with your messages. I also believe that this strategy will help you filter out real customers from all those time wasters who are out there. What I am advising you to do is set up and enable the automatic messaging and reply feature. In the same way that Facebook built the automatic message feature for the consumer, they also have one for us, the marketer. You, as the marketer, have the ability to set up instant reply messages to every message that comes in to you. You can set up after hours messages. You can set up holiday messages. You can even set up "we're currently busy helping other customer" messages. Now, why do I recommend this? This tactic will allow you to push back a little bit, gain control of the conversation, and really help thin out all those time wasters. Now, you already know this, but here's basically what happens. Someone messages you, most likely the "is this still available" message. The autoresponder picks up immediately and message them back with whatever message you've already pre-built into the system. As an example, you get a message from Joe whoever asking that question, "Is this still available?" Your instant reply could say something like, "Hi Joe, thanks for reaching out. We're all helping other customers right now, but we will get back to you just as soon as possible. In the meantime, feel free to call us at," and you can actually insert your phone number if you need immediate assistance. Also, you can check out our entire inventory online at www.abccardealer.com. We look forward to speaking with you soon. Now, a little bit later in the day, you, your BDC rep, your sales team can sit down and thoughtfully reply to all the messages that have come in. You could even send out some extra pictures or even a video, but you're doing it on your schedule. You're not dropping everything just because a message came in. And again, you can set these messages up for regular business hours, after-hour messages, even holiday messages. I believe that since people still buy from people, it is a good thing for you to show them you are not Amazon and you are not available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're most likely a smaller, family-owned and operated dealership who actually has a life. And you're not just sitting there waiting for somebody to message you morning, noon, or night. Now, to all the people who say that time kills deals and we have to respond instantly, I agree. Time does kill deals, but I would argue that you did respond right away. You actually gave them several options to get a hold of you. And I am not at all saying that you should wait days to respond. I'm just saying do it on your schedule. Make it part of your routine for your sales rep or your BDC manager. Check the messages when you open up in the morning. Check it again at noon. Check it at 3. Check it around 6 or 7. And let's be honest, if someone is truly in the market and truly interested in what you have to sell, which is most likely a car, truck, van, SUV, is waiting 30 minutes, maybe to a couple of hours, actually kill your chances of making the sale? I personally don't think so. So there you have it. Just a few more ideas on how you can get better results while spending less time and potentially less money on Facebook.